Hello viewers, welcome to brand new video. In this video, I will show how to fix PDF file or document not showing in WhatsApp. Let's see how to solve this error. And firstly, open on your phone setting, then scroll down and click on apps option, then tap on search bar and search WhatsApp app. Tap on WhatsApp and click on set as default. Tap on this and turn on this option and go back on your home screen and open on Google Play Store and search WhatsApp app and tap on WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp app if available on Play Store. Now open on WhatsApp, then tap on PDF file and select File by Google and click just once. Solve this problem. Thanks for watching.